worship at the altar of murder and mayhem. We the people know not what we do. The Purge is not about containing crime to one night and cleansing our souls by releasing oppression. It's about one thing: money. Who dies tonight? The poor. We can't afford to protect ourselves. We must pick up arms. This year, we will fight back.
Alex, perimeter check.
That's an impressive facility, Dickie. Are you sure that we're safe out here?
100%, sir. We're miles offshore. No one knows we're here.
My husband and I are very serious about the Purge, sir.
What? Yeah, I mean, it's for a good cause. Listen, Dickie, I want to hear about this safe room.
Step aside, hon. For the sake of discretion, sir, I haven't shared this with any of my team, not even my wife. Upstairs, 3rd level, there's a hatch. You'll find the safe room there, all for yourself.
And the live stream, that's all set up, right?
Yes, sir. Security camera, CCTV, all of Los Angeles County.
Fantastic, Dickie. You know, I love watching these thugs tear each other to pieces.
Excuse me, sir. I know you want to get settled in, but I have your post-Purge agenda to review. There's a 9 a.m. press conference highlighting your role as the new founding father of the Purge. Yes, right there, exactly.
You know, the voters, they love me. They love the Purge.
Of course they do, sir.
Oh, yeah.
And here's the statement I prepared.
Oh, yeah. It's perfect as always, Beth. You know, you're like the daughter I never had. You are always in the right place at the right time.
This is your emergency broadcast system announcing the initiation of the Purge. This annual event has been authorized by the U.S. government, and weapons of Class 4 and lower have been approved for use. All other weapons remain illegal during this 12-hour period. Beginning at the siren, any and all crime, including murder, will be permitted. Once the Purge concludes at 7 a.m., emergency medical services will be deployed. Blessed be our new founding fathers and America, a nation reborn.
Oh, I get tingles all over. It's just like Christmas morning. Let the bodies hit the floor.
Dickie, is that helicopter one of ours?
Hey, helicopter, just signal him. Tell him it's me.
Sir, you need to come down from there.
Now, why don't you smile more? You'd be a lot prettier.
Sir, come down!
All right, Dickie, fine. Hey!
Stay on the searchlight! Okay, Alex, defensive positions!
Whoa.
We need eyes over the wall now!
Defensive positions, what does that mean?
Sir, this is not a drill!
Who are they?
They're barracks!
Oh, tell them, how'd they find us? Can they get in?
Last chance!
Whoa!
Get down! Get down! Get down! Safe room! Now, go!
Wait a minute, I'm on it. We're going that way now. This way.
Jose! Alex! Talk to me! Secure the perimeter!
picnic, but I need to have a word. See, I'm looking for your boss, the Purge Pioneer, and he seems to be missing. Oh, come on, guys. We've got a hell of a night planned. So who's gonna save everyone a lot of pain and tell me where he's hiding? Anyone? On your knees. Hey, you're his number one, right? So where is he? Special Agent Dickie.
I don't know. I swear.
Liar. Show me her hand. Oh! That is a nice ring! Congratulations! You know, you must have spent a lot on that thing, hey, Dickie? So where's your
I
boss?
said I don't know!
That's a terrible feeling, isn't it? Watching the people you love get hurt! I know! I've been there! We have all been there! My sister and I watched our parents get purged. Head down. You and your new wife are gonna hate what happens next! Dickie, just tell her, please!
No, stop! No, just stop! Wait!
Dickie, wait! I've got this! Wow!
Go fight Beth!
Dickie, kill them all!
No chance. You're gonna hate what happens next.
You really think this is gonna make up for what the Purge took from you?
Shut up! And look up there!
No!
I'm gonna give you one last chance before I kill your wife! Where is he?
Don't tell my animal anything! Kill her!
No! Okay! He's in the safe room. Up there. Just don't hurt her.
Thank you, sir. Now feel what it's like to say goodbye to someone you love. Do it!
No! John!
What was that? Now find me that safe room and bring me their box!
Hey, sweetheart! You looking for me?
Oh, finally, the guest of honor!
I'll do it again!
Great! Everyone purge him!
Wait! Listen, I have influence. I got powerful friends. Let's, make a deal.
Oh, no, don't beg, Phil. That's unbecoming! Sir!
Beth, I gotta get out of here.
How?
How? I don't know. Why are you here? Go find something. Do your job. Go!
Okay! Oh, you can't run from the Purge, Phil! You worked too hard on it! My friends, it's time! Tonight, we will watch one of the new founding fathers of the Purge suffer as we have suffered!
Hey, you people! Folks, listen, let's talk about this. No! You lowlifes! You have no idea what I've done for this country!
Stop!
In the right place, as always. Don't beg, Phil. It's unbecoming! You're an idiot! You people, light them up.
Oh, I've got this.
Yeah, fire.
Oh, I don't think so, boss.
What? Beth,
Every single one of us has lost someone to the Purge! All of us!
My sister and I watched our parents get purged!
Yeah, Phil! Our parents. Right place, right time, huh, sis?
listen, Beth. Dante, I'm sure your parents were good people. Now I can fix this. Just name your price.
Your life!
I see. It's all about revenge.
Oh no, it's not revenge, Phil! It's justice!
No, wait, no!